Choosing a niche that aligns with your personal interest and expertise is a crucial step in affiliate marketing, especially in Amazon affiliate marketing. So, when your passion and knowledge align with your products or services or your offer or a niche subject you promote, you are more likely to create engaging content, build credibility, and connect with your target audience more easy and in long term. Here are some steps to help you to select a niche that resonates with your interest and expertise. Identify your passion. Think about your hobbies, interests, and activities that genuinely excite you. Consider what topics you enjoy reading about or discussing in your free time. Your enthusiasm for a subject or a topic will translate into authenticate and engaging content for your audience. Next one, assess your expertise. Reflect on your skills, knowledge and expertise in various fields. Consider your professional background, educational qualification or any certification you might have. Your expertise can add value to your content and establish you as an authority in your chosen subject or a niche. Next one, research profitable niches. While your passion is essential, it is crucial to research the profitability and demand of different niches. Explore various niches, read to your interest and check if there is a market demand for products or services within those niches. Look for niches with a balance between your passion and market demand. Consider audience needs. Think about the problems, challenges, or the aspiration of your target audience. A successful niche addresses the needs of the audience. Identify the pain points your audience faces and how your expertise can help solve their problems or fulfill their desires. Evaluate competition. Analyze the level of competition in potential niches. While some competition is healthy and other one who may be oversaturated market might be make it challenging to stand out. So look for niches where you can make a unique space for yourself based on your expertise and approach. Combine interest and solutions. Merge your passion and expertise with potential niches that offer solution to the audience problem. For example, if you love fitness and have expertise in nutrition, diets, you could focus on a niche like plant-based nutrition for fitness enthusiasts. Test and refine. Start creating content within your chosen niche and observe the response from the audience. Monitor engagement, feedback, and sales conversions. Based on the data and feedback, refine your niche if necessary. Stay flexible and open to adjusting your focus as you learn more about your audience preferences. Stay authentic. Authenticity is a key in affiliate marketing. Be genuine in your recommendation and content. Your passion and expertise will shine through creating a trustworthy relationship with your audience. Avoid promoting products or services solely for the sake of earning commission. Choose products that genuinely believe you. By following these steps, you can select a niche that aligns with your personal interest and expertise, allowing you to create compelling content, engaging your audience, and build a successful Amazon affiliate marketing business.